1.
Okay, so it is now time for the soil horizon. So this is day 6. So here we go. So what is a soil horizon, or otherwise known as also a soil profile? So a soil horizon is soil organized by characteristics and age based on what environment it's in. So if you look here, a layer of soil approximately parallel to the surface having distinct layers. So look, they're separated into layers. We have O layer, A layer, B layer, C layer. They're used to classify the soil and help allow us to collect data from that soil. All right, so this thing's in the way. Holy cow. Okay, sorry, that was a little scary. Hold on, guys. Okay, there we go. So these are the layers. So you're going to learn 6 layers. So the O horizon is the humus layer. That's where all the organic dead matter is. This is the most fertile layer of the soil, and it's also the smallest layer. But it's where all the organic matter is found. So lots of life in this layer. Then we have the A horizon. This is where it's also called your topsoil. So this is where tree roots and plant roots, they still reach this layer. They still go down into this layer. And this is also described as the mineral matter. So it's still mixed a little bit of humus and a lot of minerals, but not as dark brown or as organic as the O. Then we move down to the E, which is also known as the subsoil. And this is the subsurface layer where it's lightly colored because we have less organic material, which means we lose color. It's a little bit more sandy just because of leaching from minerals from the top layers. So a lot of leaching happens. And the really big plant roots can reach this layer. So grasslands like the one showed in this picture have really deep roots, remember? So they can fight wildfires. So their roots go ahead and reach this layer. And then we go down into the actual subsoil, where this is more clay, and there's more iron present. So with this color is more red. And this is, again, just farther down into the surface. This retains water really well. And again, only the plants with really deep roots hit this layer. It's very rare, few and far between. Then we go into the C horizon, which is weathered parent material. Weathered parent material. This is bedrock that's been weathered down slightly. So the particles are massive. They're really big particles of soil, but they're still broken up. And this is where the parent material continues to be weathered down to make the soil layers on top. And then the last one, the R horizon, or otherwise known as bedrock. This is unweathered parent material. So this is true solid rock. This is what's weathered down to make all the other layers above it possible. So remember, the characteristics of soil are easy to tell just by looking at the pictures. The color tells us what nutrients are present, and the texture tells us what type of rock was weathered down. So if you look at the very top, humus, look how tiny it is. See that little skinny layer, humus? That's the O horizon. We have lots of organic material, so it's a super dark color. The A horizon still has a good amount of minerals and organic matter, so it's still darker in color. The E horizon is the leaching zone, so it's lightly colored, less organic material. Then we have clay and sand in the B horizon, so it's either going to be red, or if there's no iron, that white color you see there. C horizon is the partially weathered bedrock, so that's the parent material that's been somewhat weathered. And R, down at the bottom, unweathered parent material. All right, so everyone go ahead and fix your pretest now. Go fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it. All right, so after you're done fixing it, then you're actually going to make your own soil horizon. So follow the next video on how to do that. And then I tell you how to submit it as well.